Are you tired of merely wishing for your dreams to come true? What if there's a way to actively manifest them into reality, not through wishful thinking, but by harnessing the power of your own mind? Today, we delve into the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard and his groundbreaking law of assumption. Neville Goddard, a mystic and spiritual teacher, proposed a radical idea. Your reality is not a fixed entity, but a fluid reflection of your assumptions. In essence, what you believe to be true about yourself and the world hardens into fact. This isn't just positive thinking. It's a fundamental law of creation. Goddard's law of assumption states that by consciously choosing your assumptions, you can literally reshape your reality. It's about aligning your inner world, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the outer world you desire. The law of assumption differs from traditional manifestation techniques like visualization or affirmations. While those methods focus on attracting what you want from the outside, the law of assumption emphasizes embodying the feeling of your desire as if it's already yours. It's about living from the end, not striving towards it. Goddard's teachings are rooted in the idea that your imagination is the most potent tool you possess. It's not just a tool for daydreaming. It's the very mechanism through which you create your reality. By vividly imagining and feeling your desires as already fulfilled, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind to bring those desires into physical form. So, how do you put this into practice? Let's break down the process step by step. Step 1. Define your desire. The first step in manifesting your dreams, according to Neville Goddard, is crystal clear intention. Vague wishes or half-hearted desires won't cut it. You need to pinpoint exactly what you want in detail. This isn't just about stating a goal, it's about painting a vivid picture in your mind's eye. Imagine you're an artist creating a masterpiece. Every brushstroke matters. Every detail contributes to the final image. Similarly, when defining your desire, consider every aspect. If you want a new car, what make and model is it? What color? What does the interior feel like? If it's a new job, what are the specific responsibilities? How does it make you feel? Who are your colleagues? This level of detail isn't just for fun. It serves a crucial purpose. The more specific and vivid your desire, the easier it is for your subconscious mind to grasp it and bring it into reality. It's like giving your subconscious a clear blueprint to work with rather than a vague sketch. So, take the time to truly define your desire. Ask yourself those probing questions. What do I truly want? What would it feel like to have this desire fulfilled? What specific details would be present in my ideal reality? The answers to these questions will form the foundation of your manifestation journey. Step 2. Construct a scene. Once you've meticulously defined your desire, the next crucial step in Neville Goddard's law of assumption is to build a vivid mental scene that embodies its fulfillment. This isn't just a fleeting visualization. It's a multi-sensory experience that immerses you in the reality of your desire. Think of it as crafting a movie scene where you're the star, and the plot revolves around your wish fulfilled. If your desire is a new home, imagine yourself walking through its rooms, feeling the textures, smelling the fresh paint, hearing the echoes of laughter. If it's a loving relationship, envision intimate conversations, shared laughter, and the warmth of embraces. The key is to engage all your senses. See the vibrant colors, hear the joyful sounds, feel the exhilarating emotion. The more real and vivid you make this scene, the more powerfully it will impress upon your subconscious mind. It's about creating a mental and emotional blueprint of your desired reality, so convincing that your subconscious can't help but bring it into physical form. Remember, this isn't mere daydreaming. It's a deliberate act of creation. By constructing and inhabiting this scene, you're shifting your consciousness to align with your desire, paving the way for its manifestation in the tangible world. Step 3. Enter the scene. This is where Neville Goddard's law of assumption truly comes alive. You've meticulously crafted a scene that embodies your desire fulfilled. Now, it's time to step into that scene, not as a passive observer, but as an active participant. Imagine yourself fully immersed in this reality. Engage all your senses. See the vibrant colors, hear the joyful sounds, feel the textures, smell the aromas. If it's a dream job, feel the satisfaction of accomplishment, the camaraderie with colleagues, the thrill of new challenges. If it's a loving relationship, experience the warmth of embraces, the shared laughter, the deep connection. The key is to evoke genuine emotion. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the contentment as if your desire is already manifested. Let these emotions wash over you, anchoring you in the reality of your wish fulfilled. This isn't about faking it. It's about tapping into the authentic feelings that would naturally arise if your desire were already a reality. This act of embodying the desired state sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind. You're not merely visualizing or hoping, you're declaring, "This is my reality now." This shift in consciousness is the catalyst for transformation, aligning your inner world with the outer world you seek to create. Remember, the more fully you immerse yourself in the scene, the more potent the impression on your subconscious. It's about living from the end, experiencing the reality of your desire so vividly that it becomes indistinguishable from your current reality. This is the heart of the law of assumption, the bridge between imagination and manifestation. Step 4. Persist. The final step is persistence. Continue to revisit this scene, to dwell in the feeling of your wish fulfilled until it becomes your dominant state of being. This is where faith plays a crucial role. It's not about blind belief, but about unwavering trust in the creative power of your own consciousness. The law of assumption has the power to transform lives. People have manifested dream jobs, loving relationships, vibrant health, and financial abundance simply by changing their assumptions. It's a testament to the incredible power of the human mind. Now, you might be wondering, what if my desires seem impossible? What if I encounter setbacks? Remember, the law of assumption is about aligning your inner world with your desired outer world. It's about persisting in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, even when faced with challenges. The law of assumption is not a magic wand. It's a powerful tool that requires dedication and practice. But the potential rewards are limitless. By consciously choosing your assumptions, you become the architect of your own reality. Goddard teaches us that our reality is not fixed, but rather a reflection of our deepest beliefs and assumptions. By consciously choosing to assume the feeling of our desires fulfilled, we can literally reshape our world. The law of assumption invites us to step into our power as conscious creators. It challenges us to let go of limiting beliefs and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie within us. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path to manifesting the life we truly desire. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Neville Goddard's law of assumption. If you're ready to manifest your dreams, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within you.